Itua ria President Willam Ruto guteaniria thairira cia kibeca iria ciagathikitwo uthaitira mathogora ma indo cia bata ta mutu wa ngima, maguta ma ngari na thitima niamenereirio ni athathauri a maundu ma giuteti. Kuringana na Prof Harman Manyora, ikinya riu nirituhiirie akenya muturire na rihota kugaruruka thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza.
If you come to power on a populist agenda like Willam Ruto, dissolution sets in very fast, because you fire the expectation and the imagination of the people. You make them expect heaven, and after a short while they are realizing you are just talking hot air. They could get annoyed, and many governments that have come to power in a populist way have always found it very difficult to face a re-election.
Manyora niongereire kuga thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ikoretwe gikomba mabilioni ma mbeca mugaru na uria yeranĩire hindi ya kampeni ati ndigucoka gukomba.
Top on the list of the things they were faulting the government of Uhuru Kenyatta for was uncontrolled debt, and they said they were not going to incur any debt. But in the short span of like 100 days, they have had hundreds of billions of debts from IMF, somewhere in Korea, South Korea, where, and there is no stopping. So they promised heavily that they would not borrow more. Instead, they are now on a borrowing spree.
Akiaria ciĩgie murutire wa wira gatagati ka munini wa President Gathe wa Gachagua na Minister munene Musalia Mudavadi.
Sibling rivalry is normal in politics. When you create a position of Prime Minister and a position of Deputy President, certainly there's going to be some little friction between the Deputy President and the Prime Minister. We witnessed one between Kalonzo Musyoka, then Vice President Kibaki, and Raila Odinga, Prime Minister of the coalition government. These are always there. As to how they will continue playing out depends on how crafty the President is on his long-term game. The President could as well be thinking of making Mudavadi his successor. That's also possible. So if that is his game, he will know how to navigate it.
Riu Manyora nioritie President ikirira gukinyaniria ciiraniro iria erire a Kenya hindi ya kampeni. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.